this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs,
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we show.
Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. This is Ethel Aliera. Hello, shout out everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my gosh! How are you guys? For today's video guys, I'm just going to share with you guys. This is called Support BC 1.2 Type-C Adapter 8-in-1. Ito yun siya guys. Kita niyo po. So, it says here 8-in-1. So, ilan po yung slots na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the last one is yan. And also, yan. You can use Type-C. Yan po. And use, of course, yung USB port. So, kailangan po natin ito. Especially if full na po yung ating phone. Ang ating memory. So, we can use this to make lipat-lipat to transfer your files. All you have to do is this one. And marami na po siyang pagkagamitan guys. There is also for the MMC, which you can also yung MMC is yung you can put your SD card in there. Kasi wala naman talagang lagayan SD card na alone. So, there's adapter for that. So, ayan po siya. Marami po. Very useful po siya. Especially to content creators like us, guys. So, ayan. Naka-transfer na tayo ng ano nito. Nagamit na natin siya. And you can also format your SD card. Or yung micro nyo na ano, na SD card. Ano may pinagsasabi? What? So, ayan siya. You can also use this. Diba? Ang dami niyang paggagamit. 8-in-1. Totoo po natin 8-in-1. Binilang ko eh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And plus 6. Siyempre, ito yung saksakan. Joke only. So, very useful po ito siya guys. Kasi, nasira na po kasi yung luma ko. And then, mura lang naman po ito. This is not sponsored guys ha. Kailangan ko po kasi magbawas ng file sa phone ko kasi hindi na po ako nakakapag content ng tuloy-tuloy kasi kasi very full. And also, meron din po siya manual where you can use. I don't know kung mababasa nyo po yun. Very tiny po yung font na nilagay nito. So, yun lang guys. You can use this guys. The 8-in-1 Type-C adapter 8-in-1. Yan. You can also use this by formatting your new SD card and MC and all. Diba? Saan pa kayo? 8-in-1. Diba? So, kailangan po natin yan. Ayan. So, that's it for today, guys. And thank you so much for the love and support to Ethel Aliera's channel. Thank you so much. And big shout out, of course, to all the teams who supported me, to all the socials that I have, to all my support and silent viewers, subscribers, followers, mga sisikoys, family, friends, colleagues, and ating mga kaibigan around the world sa ating mga banyagang mga kaibigan, mga foreign friends natin, and to all the OFWs around the world, and to all the teams who supported me, and of course, the team LC, the team La Cuachera Cusinera. Thank you so much, teammates, and of course to our lovely admin La Cuachera Cusinera. Mega loud shout out, guys, and thank you so much, and that's it for today, guys. Maulan na gabi, and this is what we call Type-C adapter 8-in-1. So sharing with you guys, this is very helpful po sa ating mga external memories. Pag full na po yung ating mga phone, and even yung mga cameras natin, mga DSLR, GoPros. So this is very useful. You can also format your SD card here. So that's it for today, guys, and thank you so much for the love and support to Ethel Aliera's channel. Thank you so much, guys, for being there for me. Thank you for to keep going, to keep watching my videos. And thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I may not be here without you guys. And wala po kayo dyan, wala po ako dito, guys. I may not be here without you guys. Kaya you guys are the stars of my channel. Thank you so much, guys. So that will be all for today. And once again, thank you everyone for the never-ending love and support to Ethel Aliera's channel. Mega love shout out. Stay safe, stay fit, stay healthy. Health is our wealth. Wala man tayong yaman, guys, for as long as we are so wealthy in our health, and that will be the best. Thank you so much. I will see you all around. Ciao. God bless you all. Ethel Aliera here is signing off.
Let's make our colors blend in the silence of the night.
Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Ethel Aliera here is signing off.